How to add or remove a widget in standby on the iPhone 16 series. Now to use standby, first make sure you have turned it on. So from the home screen, we go into settings. And in settings, I'm going to go back to the main settings page. Then we scroll down, and in here, tap on standby. Make sure standby is turned on by tapping on the toggle button. After that, make sure your phone has been plugged into a charger. Then we lock the screen to go to the lock screen. Now from here, we're going to wait for the phone to go into standby mode. And make sure you go to the widget panel. So in here we have three different screens: the clock, the photo screen, and the widget screen. So in here, there are left widget and the right widget. So select one of the panel. So let's say we want to add in a widget to the left panel. So touch and hold on the left panel. Then from here at the top, tap on the add button. So I tap on the add button. And from the search widget screen, go down the list here and find the widget that you would like to use. So let's say if you want to add in the photos widget, you can tap on that and then tap on add widget, and that will be added to your widget here. So to the widget rotator. Okay, so once you add it to the stack, you can tap on done, and here we can swipe across. Swipe up and down to switch between the different available widgets. And that's it. So once you have added the widget to the stack, you can then rotate it around. You can do the same for the left side as well. So touch and hold on that. And here it has a few widgets. To remove a widget, just tap on the remove button, then tap on removed. And here I will remove a few more reminders and then tap on that. Okay, when you want to add in a widget, you tap on the add button at the top left corner, and then you scroll down the list and tap on the widget that you want to add, and then tap on add widget, and here it will add in the battery status widget to my right widget panel, and then tap on done. And that's it. That is how you can add or remove widgets to the widget panel in standby. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.